Hello and welcome to my video. In this video, I am making a quick and healthy snack or an appetizer, cucumber bites. So in order for this recipe, you will need a cucumber, which I've already washed, some cherry tomatoes, some ground, this is garlic salt with parsley in it, and I'm going to have a dollop of honey mustard dressing and a dollop of ranch dressing. And that's it for the recipe. So I'm going to move everything over to here. And the first thing I'm going to do, I am going to cut the cucumber. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the end off a little bit because the end is kind of bitter. And then I'm going to take, now I can cut them straight down or I can cut them in an angle. So I'm going to kind of come here and cut it in an angle like that. And then I'm going to try to continue cutting like this. So this is a healthy snack or an appetizer. This is a way to take a cucumber and doctor it up and make it tastier because a cucumber doesn't have a lot of flavor. And it's kind of boring for just a snack. So I like to take the cucumber and dress it up. And I'm going to make it more presentational instead of just a regular cucumber on a plate and with dip. So I'm trying to cut this in an angle, just like that. And this is simple to do, and it's not expensive. So let's take this and put it over here on my little bowl. Now, the first thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to take the cucumbers and just line them up here on the plate because I'm going to sprinkle some garlic parsley over these before I put them on the plate. So I'm going to line these up just like that. Then I'm going to take the garlic sauce coarse ground with parsley. Now this is very salty, so I don't need a lot on here. So it's pretty salty. So this is going to give it like a cucumber potato chip taste. Now I'm going to take these cherry tomatoes and I'm going to cut them. Let me get my other cutting board. Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to come up here and I'll take the cherry tomatoes and I'm going to keep the little place right there where it grows on the vine. I'm going to slice it down the middle. Okay, just like that. So I'm going to do like 10. I want to see if I can do 10 because I'm going to put these on a tray and I think I can get 10 cucumbers on each tray. So we've got 4, 5, and here we go. And cut like that. And just cut them right down the center. And this was a medley of little cherry tomatoes. It was different ones. We had some yellow ones and some green ones and some red ones. And we'll see if we got enough here. Okay. There is, I'm just going to go ahead and cut enough of cherry tomatoes. Okay. So now we do one more. Okay, so now I have the cherry tomatoes cut. Just slice them down the center, and the cucumbers. So now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to slide these up here because I'm going to bring out my plate. So I have a long plate. I have 2 of these. So I'm going to do one here, and I'm going to just put them on here just like this on the plate. So I think I can get, there's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 on the plate, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we'll do that many. Then I'm going to take the other plate, and I'm going to set right here, and I'm going to put 10 slices and kind of space them out, because I'm doing like a presentation, but very simple. It's not difficult at all to do this, and it will look fancy when I'm done. So that's an even there. So let me show you what we got. Okay. So we've got a plate with 10, and then another plate with 10. So now I'm going to take the ranch dressing, and I'm just going to put a dollop on each one, just a dollop on in the middle of the cucumber, and then I'm going to do a dollop here, and here, and here on each one, and then I'm going to switch to a honey mustard. I'm going to shake it up. I'm going to do a honey mustard dollop there on each one. So I think you could make this within 15 minutes, very quickly, very cheap, healthy snack, healthy appetizer. It could be a lunch. If you don't want a boring old salad, this would taste delicious. And now I'm going to bring in the cherry tomatoes, and I'm going to put one on each one, just like that, and then a red one. And I'll alternate some colors, and then a red, and hopefully I have enough. Put some colors on those. So we're going to space them out a little bit. And let's see if I cut enough. I'm almost finished here. And it'll be a very delicious, healthy snack. And we're done. So then I'm just going to take 2 little tiny cherries I have left over, cherry tomatoes. I'm just going to put one maybe there, in here, for just decorative and or garnish. And there you have something delicious. So let me come in here. Let me aim down the camera so you can see how delicious this snack looks. Look at that. And of course, they taste wonderful. Very good. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you like this video of making a quick and simple little healthy snack using cucumbers and cherry tomatoes. And thank you for watching.